Hey, AC here at the EMAX Garage. Allow me to take just a minute to introduce you to the newest member to the EMAX line of products, and that is our patent-pending noise suppressor called Silent Air. You know, for years, EMAX has boasted they've had the quietest and coolest running compressor in the industry. Well, there's a good reason for that. While our competitor was downsizing their pump to save cost and increasing RPM to maintain the same CFM, EMAX did just the opposite. They increased their pump size while reducing RPM, yielding in a quieter, cooler, and longer lasting pump. Now here's the really cool part. While EMAX reduced the RPM to over half of what the competitor's RPM runs at, they still yield 26 CFM at 175 PSI and 29 CFM at 100 PSI. I don't know about you, but working around a noisy compressor all day long can just be plain irritating. That's why EMAX has taken noise suppression to the next level by combining their low RPM pump technology with their patent-pending noise suppressor. Sometimes you can even forget while it's running it's even there, and that's the way a compressor should be, rather seen than heard. Now this was one of our leading competitor 7.5 horsepower systems. Now let's compare it to the EMAX 7.5 horsepower system equipped with Silent Air. As you can see, I'm about 1.5 feet, 2 feet away from the compressor. I can carry on a conversation with anybody in a normal tone of voice. And like I said, I can almost even forget it's running at times when I get distracted with other duties in the garage or the shop. And that's kind of the way it should be. And here's another cool feature about EMAX compressors. They're backed by a 5-year bumper-to-bumper parts warranty. So if you want to learn more about EMAX and Silent Air, give us a call today.